Okay, guys, come on through.
Let's go.
There we go.
Wait.
You coming?
He's recording us.
There we go. Smile, smile. There we go.
Oh my god. I'm not looking at right
There you go.
now.
Thanks, Sing. Thanks, bro. Come on this way.
Oh my god. I'm not looking anywhere.
Don't look anywhere, yeah. Okay. And get you to wait right there for me, okay? Okay, guys, welcome to the skywalk. Woo! How you guys feeling? Good? Everyone excited? Scared? So you guys are standing 192 meters above the streets of Auckland, and you're standing on a 1.2 meter wide platform. We'll be walking around 120 meters around the tower. Sweet. Okay. First, we're gonna start some challenges. We're gonna start nice and easy. Okay. First challenges. Everybody, hands off the rope. Hands all the way out for me. There we go. Woo! There we go. Well done. Good work. Okay, that was the first one. The second one, I'll demonstrate. We go one by one, and we always start from the back. So, so I'll demonstrate. Wait for me. So this one, you gotta face the tower. You gotta walk out to the edge. Once to the edge, look down for me. Give a good wave. Okay, Sing. Oh, he's already going. There we go. You got this.
No.
There we go. Okay, next. I'm gonna try, brother. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna try.
No.
Oh, cheating! That's cheating! Oh, there we go. There we go. Beautiful. There we go. Neha, wanna give it a try?
No, I can't.
Try small, one leg. Try one leg.
Come on, Neha, you can do it.
You can do this.
Come on.
There we go. Keep going. There you go. Woo! Well done. Okay, wanna give it a try? There you go. You got this. You got this. There we go. One more step. Yay! Okay, that's the easy side. Now face that side and go out together. Everyone go out together. Everyone go out together. There we go. No. You guys got this. Okay, scream in 3, 2, 1. Woo! That's the one. Everyone good? You guys want to give it a try?
No.
No? Okay, good work.
Oh my god.
Okay, the next one, you guys may not like this one, but I'll demonstrate, okay? So this one, you gotta face the tower. Wait for me, guys. You gotta sit onto your harness.
No way.
You'll feel the rope hold you. Make sure your legs are right in front of you. Walk back to the edge.
No
One to the
way.
edge. Make sure your legs are right at the edge. Straighten out your knees for me. And hands free.
Oh.
Woo! If you're up for the challenge, look down.
Nobody. Nobody.
Okay?
Nobody.
Sweet. Okay.
Can we skip this?
Oh, you want to skip? Sing? No? You want to give it a try?
No.
I'll give it
You give it a try? There you go.
No.
Okay. He's from New Zealand, so. Now, face this, the tower. Sit onto your harness. There you go. You feel it hold you. There you go. Hands up here for me. Hands higher for me. There you go. Now walk back to the edge for me.
No, I'm good. No, I'm trying not
There you
to.
go.
Huh?
Stand up for me. Stand up for me. There we go. Walk back to the edge for me. Almost there. Now straighten out your knees for me. There we go. There we go. And hands free.
I did it.
Woo! There we go. You good? That's the one. Come on in, bro.
It's okay. You can get it.
There we go.
Good. That's easy. Because यहाँ पर नीचे से बोल बोलता है.
Anyone else?
No.
No? No? You gonna try?
No,
There you
I'm
go. Stand up for me. Stand up for me.
No. Yeah, dance.
There you go. Now face this side.
No,
Sit onto your harness. Then walk back to the edge for me.
No, Ansh.
Ooh.
No.
There you go. Keep going.
But that's all.
Can let go? I got it. There you go. Now, there we go.
That's
Now,
all, Ansh,
push your
that's
body
all.
back. Straighten out your knees for me.
Ansh, no, Ansh, no, Ansh,
Straighten out your knees for me.
no. Okay, picture.
Keep going. Keep going. Straight out.
No, Ansh, that's all, Ansh.
I'll give you a little push, eh? There we go.
No.
Yeah.
There you go. Hands free. Hands up. There we go. Well done, bro. Good work.
You did it.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Want to try?
No.
Okay. Good work, guys. Well done. Woo! Guys, got another challenge for you. So, I'll get everyone hands out like this for me. Then everyone look up for me and walk towards me.
I can do that.
Don't look down. Okay. You don't have to do it. You can just walk towards me. And keep coming this way. There you go. Take your time. Keep coming. There we go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. There we go. Beautiful. There we go. Okay. That's the easy one. Now we're going to go backwards. We're going to go one by one. So we're going to start from the back. So, no, you got to face me. Now hands out for me.
Walk back.
Yep. Hands out. Look up.
Left, right.
Yeah, look up. Now this time close your eyes.
Are you gonna say left?
Yeah, I'll say left or right, yeah. Keep going, close your eyes. There we go. You're still in the middle, don't worry. Don't worry about a thing. You're still in the middle, don't worry. There we go, keep going. You're halfway there. Keep going. Keep going, bro. There we go, keep going. Nah, you can stop right there, okay? We're gonna try. Hands out for me, look up. Yep, and close your eyes and go. There we go. Yeah, keep going to your right. Yeah, keep going to your right. Okay, we're gonna try. Hands out for me, look up for me, walk backwards. There, close your eyes.
Very nice, you're doing it good.
I know how you're feeling. Keep going to your right. Yeah, keep going to your right. Yeah. Keep going, bro. Keep going. Okay, you ready? Nah, walk back for me. Yeah, keep going to your right. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. You're almost there. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You can stop right there. Okay, you ready?
आगे वाला मुझे सोलो
You ready?
चाहिए. I want a solo video.
Okay. Okay. Hands up. Look up. Walk backwards. I know how you're feeling. This was a stupid idea. Keep going for me. Keep going. Keep going. Almost there. Keep going for me. You want to give it a try?
No.
No? You don't have to. You don't have to. It's all right. Okay, guys, well done. Good work. Woo!
I love it here. Oh my God, what floor are we on?
We're on 192 meters.
192 meters above. Oh my
Yeah.
God, I'm so happy.
There we go.
Yes.
Well done. There you go. Sit onto your harness. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all on
There you go.
video.
And hands free. Yeah, buddy. Woo! All good?
Okay, come back. Come back.
Okay. Good. Woo! There you go. Sit down. Hands higher. Hands higher. There you go.
Yeah,
Walk
और
back.
पीछे नहीं टोनी बस. बस टोनी.
Push, push. There we go. Yeah. All good? There you go. Hands out. Hands out. Yay! All good?
Done.
There you go. Well done. To Skywalk. Woo! Well done, guys. Good work out there. Everyone did the challenges. Well done. Give me a high 10. Beautiful. There we go. Beautiful, bro. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Well done.